Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've got another video. So I've been away. The reason that I've been away is my daughter went to have her baby, and she doesn't like to do things by half, so it took quite a few days. It's nearly a week in fact, and then I had some uni work to catch up on, but now I'm back on track. And obviously I had all my appointments to book in as well, because I've been avoiding all of my clients because I've just been so tired. So I've caught up on my nails, I've caught up on my uni work, and my daughter has a beautiful little boy, so it's all good in the world again. Okay, so I have got I've already prepped these nails. So I pushed back the cuticles, I've prepped the nail, removed all the excess cuticle off the nail bed, I've cleansed them, and I have just gone in, dehydrated them and primed them, and then I have put on my forms. My forms are from CJP, and this clear is a CJP clear that I'm going in with now, just to make a clear base, because this is going to be a glitter ombre. So picking up a small bead of clear, I'm going to go in with a silver glitter. I haven't got the name written down for this one because it's one of my really old ones, but as far as I can remember, it is from Diamond Glitters, and it's called Crystal Princess. Might be Crystal Queen, but it's one of them two. And then I'm going to ombre that with the multi-mix soft pink from Glitter Arty Nails as well. And then when I've finished all of these nails, I will come back and cap all of them, but I'll do that at the end. So while we're here, I want to say a big welcome to all of my new subscribers. You're still following me. It has been 2 weeks since my last video. I'm not going to make any promises as to when my next video is going to come, because little surprises just like to keep popping up, but I will try my very best to get you more than one video per week. We're going to aim for 2, because I think 3 was a bit much for me. I have got a family, and I have got nail appointments to do, and I have got my uni work as well now. So yeah, I will do my best. But hello, and thank you for following me. I'm just going to go in now with a white. This is Glitter Bells. Glitter Bells, Glitter Bells, Glitter Bells. And it is Snowdrops White. And I'm going to do, I believe, am I doing a full nail on this? No, I'm not. I'm going to do a white and grey ombre. The grey that I'm going to use is Ash. I do want to point out that my model doesn't want to keep these nails on, or she didn't want to keep these nails on until she saw them. So I haven't put down a clear base. We will be taking them back off again when she's ready for that. So I've just built my free edge, and I'm sculpting this out into the shape that I want. I'm going to try and keep it into the shape that I want, so then I don't have to come back and do loads of filing. I've gone in with my grey bead, and then my second grey bead, where I'm just getting my cuticle walls nice and straight. That was a little bit wet, so we've got a bit of dribble, so I'm just going to keep that nice and tidy and pull down the sides. And do not worry about the dip. Like I said, this is all going to be capped in clear, so there will be no dip at the end. Okay. So on this one we're going to do a full white nail, and that is with the snowdrops from Glitter Bells, and then I'm going to put a decal on there, and I do cap my decals in clear acrylic. I mean, some people use just the top coat, but I prefer to cap them. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to sculpt out. So I'm starting at the free edge, patting out my length. Then I will keep in my shape with the sides of my brush, and then I will sort out my free edge as well, make that nice and straight. I've got a thing about straight lines, so I like to keep them as straight and as even as possible before I go into file, and then it is less filing time because I do like to use a hand file at the end of all of my sets. I don't know why, it's just my personal preference. I do have a drill file, but I use that for debulking and taking sets off, and I use it for prep, but I don't use it for finishing my nails off. I just prefer it this way. So yes, going to go in with my cuticle bead. So I'm going to keep it nice and tidy around the cuticles, just passing it out, keeping my brush behind, swipe down the side, and then feather all the middle down, and then the same with the other side, pat, and then pull down the side, and that'll keep it nice and even and pretty. So delicious, delicious, delicious. So this is one of my new colours from Glitter Bells, and it is called Pom Pom, and it is so nice. I literally love it. Love, love, love. I've got it on my own nails at the moment, and I've ombre'd that with grey, but this is going to be a full nail of Pom Pom, and it's just a cute baby pink. It's really, really easy to work with, and I like it a lot. Okay? Yeah, I say okay a lot, don't I? Okay. Okay. Alright, so now we've got the decal. This has been in water, so I've just cut out the one that I want. I popped it into a little bowl of water and let it soak for a couple of minutes, slide the backing off it, and then place it down. I am not entirely sure that this is how you use these ones, because it did keep sliding around a little bit, but after I left it to dry out, I did dab it a little bit with a lint-free wipe, a dry one, and then once I'd done that, it did seem to stay in place. But I mean, I should have read the instructions. They're from the Queen of Decals, and she is on Facebook. I believe she actually has a website as well, as a Facebook shop, but totally worth going looking at. She's got so many, they're so good, and yeah, it looks so pretty. So now I've done that, I'm going to go and trim around it, make it nice and tidy. I'm just stretching out, making sure there's no creases in that as well before it dries out. And then I'm going to go and cap all of these nails. I was going to leave the thumb in, but this video is extra long, so I'm actually going to take it out. But the thumb is basically exactly the same that's on the pinky. It doesn't really get to feature in any of my pictures, so I'm going to take it out. I have left you a couple of nails worth of filing in, just so you can see how I do that with a hand file. And I've left you the capping of this first 4 nails in as well. But yeah, basically that's probably around about it. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. You can leave me a comment down below, give me any suggestions as well as to what you want me to do next. I always like that. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and you will give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Love you all. Bye.